Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and this video is a short review on the Jpay app. So in this video I'll show you how to install this app, how to use it, and we'll also find out if you should use the app at all. So let's get started by installing this app on your device. You can install the app from Play Store or App Store. I'll be showing you how to install this app from Google Play. And first of all, let's type in the search box Jpay. Okay, let's go to their Google Play page. So 5 million plus downloads. The app has a good rating, 4.1. It's really nice. And to install this app, just tap on install. Okay, and let's scroll down. And here you can see how this app looks like, what features it has. With the help of this app, you can send money, you can email, snap and send, fund media, and videogram. And there are many other images. Also, you can find many good reviews from other users, and it's really good. But of course, there are some bad reviews too. I'm not getting notifications for any email. I have to check my personal email to know one came in, and can't always do that. There are some drawbacks, but more positive reviews. So let's open this app and check it out. So here you can sign in or create new account. Let's try to create new account. Tap on this button, select contacts location. Okay, let's select Arizona and enter inmate or offender ID in the second field. And after that, you can continue to register an account and use all the features of the app. And the last thing I would like to talk about is the features of the app. Let's go to the description of the application, and here you can see a lot of features. Create your Jpay account, send money with your credit debit card once or schedule recurring transfers, purchase stamps for email, snap and send, and videograms, send and receive emails, get new emails notifications, send emails to multiple recipients, prepay for an email reply or transfer stamps. You can of course read this list in full if you want. And here is what the app is all about. I really hope this video helped you. If so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you want, write your experience with the app in comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day.